So as my caption, diba? My summer look. So magsisimula tayo using our moisturizer, Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. Buhay na buhay pa din siya, guys. So let's just put it. Let's just start off with our foundation by Revlon. It's a combination / oily, and yeah, so nice. So guys, I'm gonna be putting this seamless concealer by Naked Urban Decay. And next is loose powder. Nalagyan natin dito sa baba. And let's do the eyes. Let's play with our eyes. So I'm gonna be using the Morphe 3502. So I'll go with the lighter shade, guys. That I love is medyo peachy, so I'll go with peachy. So ayan guys, it's like a peachy peg na, no? So what I love it, so I love it, guys. And pagka ganon, medyo natural lang. Wag na nating lagyan ng eyeliners. Babawi tayo sa ating lashes, guys. So let's put mascara. Also lalagay tayo ng shimmer at the middle of our eyes dito, guys. Let's just put it here, dab it. So I'm using the Gigi Hadid mascara, guys. Guys, I just put mascara on. Diba? Ang ganda. And now, next is fibers. So, fibers is to enhance our lashes, guys. Ito yung love ko sa Gigi Hadid collection kasi may fibers and para ka talagang naka extension. And third step is balik na naman ang mascara para more impact. Much better. So, ayan guys, ang ganda na siya, guys. Mascara lang, diba? No need for eyeliners. Diba? I'm gonna blend the loose powder. Careful while blending it. Contour is on. Konti lang, lowkey na contour lang, guys. Kasi summer, diba? Ulit-ulit ko yung sinasabi sa inyo, eh. Summer look. So ayan guys, tapos na ako nag-contour and now nose line. So ayan, I'm just gonna be using my hands, no? More summer effect siya, guys. Let's put on blush on. And now guys, I'm gonna be putting highlighters. I'm gonna be using the Sephora Shimmery. I'm gonna be using this as my highlighters. So let's go started. I was waiting myself that I wasn't so lonely. Late now, try to retain it, but when you get from MAC. So, medyo siya darker. It's not that red. So, I love this for summer kasi the color is so like nice. Good for summer din siya. Kasi hindi naman talaga basta summer, medyo dapat red, diba? So, let's just... And also, I'm gonna mix it with a glossy lip gloss by Essence to make it more summery. Kasi ganyan talaga summer, medyo glossy and everything, glowy. That's it for today's video, guys. So I'm gonna change and let's see what we've got. So guys, this is my look going to